finger on the trigger. I've been grinding that side all day with my niggas. And I ain't going in, it's on with my nigga, my nigga, my nigga.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up.
Hello from the other side.
Wow.
I believe I can fly.